Hi everyone, how are you? This is our third tutorial. Before we discuss that how to prepare, how to make wood frame canvas and how to stretch canvas. Now we will prepare the canvas before paintings. This is raw material painting. This is raw material canvas. Very easy, very simple method. Just need a little bit effort and the painting will be outstanding than ready-made canvas. So let's start. This is some materials we need during preparation of canvas. 2 inches brush. This is acrylic gum, transparent. This will apply after emulsion. This is plastic emulsion, not more thick, just density will be little bit thin, like a liquid form. We will apply plastic emulsion first, 2 layers, 2 coats on the canvas. So let's start. Clear the canvas and softly apply. Fill the all sides. Okay, the first layer of emulsion have been done. This is first layer. When this will dry, we will apply another layer of emulsion, plastic emulsion. This emulsion you can get from any hardware shop very easily. Just need high quality plastic emulsion. You can apply gesso, but this is more convenient and more economical than gesso. So, the first coat of plastic emulsion has been dried. Now we are going to apply the second coat of emulsion. Emulsion thickness will be low, thin quality, thin, little bit liquid form you have to apply. If you apply thick, the canvas will be more thick and will be cracks, might be. Look at this. This is second layer of emulsion has been applied. This will dry, and after dryness of canvas we will apply acrylic gum. Okay, our emulsion have been dried, 2 layers has been applied. Now the surface of canvas little bit gum. We need to rub the sandpaper 150 is, and the other sandpaper is 300. First we will apply 150 sandpaper softly. Don't force hard, just little bit soft hand. Then after this sandpaper, the canvas will be clean and very smooth, so the painting will very easily, the colors will apply very smooth. Now the 300 sandpaper we will apply soft. Okay, the canvas has been painted. So after that we will apply acrylic gum, transparent acrylic gum with brush. We will apply the gum. Same procedure like emulsion. Okay, the canvas has been ready. Look at this, very smooth, very fine. The, during painting the color will be provide you very long coverage. Alright, the canvas has been ready, gum has been dried. This is little bit gum. We will apply the same again softly. Just need soft hand, don't force, and just apply 150 number sandpaper. After this we will apply the 300 sandpaper. This is fine, smooth. Now we will apply 300 number softly. Look at this, the canvas is ready for painting. So let's start our painting.